It is Friday and it is now 8 o'clock, so I am going to go in a little bit, but first I'm going to have some tea, and I'm drinking mint and moringa tea. I know it sounds really weird, but I really love how it tastes and it's really good for digestion. And I have a ton of work to get done today, vlog style video, so I hope that you would like it. And I'm gonna just go ahead and pack my bag for work. So this is the bag that I use. It is a Kate Spade bag and I love it. I got it a really long time ago. It was like my first designer bag that I ever bought for myself, and it's very big, as you can tell, so it holds like so much stuff in it. And it has 3 sections, which allows me to fit like a ton of stuff in it. I have to clean my bag, but girl, it fits literally so much. My nail tech is always telling me that this is my luggage, and it technically is. By the way, I'm also reading this book, Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan. If you know about Crazy Rich Asians, you will know about this book. And oh my god, this series is so good. I highly recommend. In my bag, I have to have my planner, of course, and this is my daily planner and I'm obsessed with it. I have to have it. It helps me stay so organized. Of course, I have my laptop, and then I have my phone, and I try not to use my phone in the mornings, honestly, because it makes me waste so much time, so I just chuck it into my work bag. And then I have, of course, my phone charger, my laptop charger, and then my hard drive. And I actually have my 2 hard drives in my bag, so filled to the brim, and it's sometimes really heavy. I love this bag so much. Yeah, I tied my hair back up a little bit with those little small clips. So I have a giveaway in this video. It's basically a company that I really love, and it's called PYT Beauty. So they are cruelty free and their makeup is absolutely amazing and really good for your skin. So if you want a chance to win them, let me just let you know about it. Okay, so PYT Beauty is all about no BS, which means no bad stuff. This is the eyeshadow palette, and it also has highlights in it which are really pretty and pigmented. These colors are really good neutrals that can take you very easily from a day to night look. So it says seize the day on top and then own the night below, and the packaging is really sleek. This is how it looks, and you can carry it around easily. So these are the Strike Twice lip duos, and I have 2 of them. One is in the shade After Party, which is this one, and then the next one is in the shade Runner. So they are really beautiful, and they come with a gloss and a lipstick. And PYT is kind enough to be giving away some products, so you have to basically just subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also follow PYT Beauty on Instagram. Before I go to my office every single day, I always go through my planner. So I'm at my office and I have to show you guys this beautiful vine, and it's basically taking over everything and I am in love. And then it also has like these beautiful yellow flowers. I'm in my section of my office now, which needs to be like completely redone. So that is my goal for 2019, is to just get here into the workspace that I know that I'm going to be really creative in and really love. I also want to do a new sticker sheet for April, and I want it to be like manifestation themed or probably like spring themed or something, but I definitely know I want to design something new. And then I have to go ahead and pick up some products from Hask Beauty. Those are the products that I use on my hair. I always get so many questions on what I use in my hair, and it's those Hask products, so I will show you guys. My mom might actually pick it up for me because I'll be staying here today. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get to work. So these are sticker duos, and this is actually called the Office Chic Sticker Duo, and I'm very much into polka dots and pink these days, which kind of reflects this. So each one of these comes with like page flags, icons, boxes, box headers, some washi tape strips on the side, and of course like really cute icons. And then like these can fill up your entire spread and make it look really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and package them up and get them ready for delivery and stuff. Okay, so as you can see, I eventually decided to go with a different sticker theme. So I went with a what's on my desk theme. And I think it's so pretty. It has a lot of pink and polka dots. I absolutely love how it turned out. It is so pretty and the colors are so vibrant, and I mean the prints are just perfect. So I'll be posting these on the page later so I can start taking orders for them. Just came back from the office. I live in the city, so there's like a ton of like noises around. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. This is my arugula harvest and I got quite a lot and I'm very excited about that. I love coming into my garden every single day and just seeing what's new, what's up. So I started growing my own food since last year and I love it so much. It's my favorite thing. Arugula is definitely the easiest thing that you can grow. It's so good, it's so yummy. I also have Swiss chard, lavender, some basil, mint, rosemary and dill, and I really just love coming into my garden and eating fresh greens and stuff that I actually grew myself, which is like insane. It tastes so good, like on pizzas and sandwiches and all that fun stuff. I have this beautiful bougainvillea plant. It's my favorite flower. I love bougainvillea so much, and it's this beautiful orange fiery one, so I'll show you it now, and then I will read some of the rich people problems before I hit the gym tonight. Okay, so I got the new products from Hask, like I was telling you guys about this morning. So this is the keratin line. So I have the keratin protein soothing conditioner. I have the keratin protein soothing deep conditioner mask, which is really good for like leaving on in your hair when you're in the shower. It honestly makes such a huge difference when you use like a leave-in conditioner in the shower. Then I have a keratin protein soothing, I can't talk, soothing shampoo. And then last up, which are my favorite things to use, are these, and it looks like little oil vials and you get to like put it in your hair and it feels so good, and I use this almost every single day. So I finished my workout. I am gonna go to the grocery now to get some stuff. This is my outfit. I did legs tonight, and I'm gonna go to the grocery and get some salmon because I needed it. I'm craving that for dinner, so let go. This looks good. So I just finished my workout. It kind of sucked because my headphones broke and I really can't work out without my headphones. Like, I've been so accustomed to using it. I really can't work out without music, so it kind of sucked because today was my leg day. But I'm still glad that I came to the gym and did something, still worked up a sweat. Oh my god. Even though it wasn't my best, I'm not gonna be hard on myself because I did have a really productive day, and I'm not gonna like beat up because my workout wasn't on point because of my lack of music. So I got my salmon, which I might go and make some food now or something like that, and yeah. So I added quinoa, bell peppers, tomatoes, onion, garlic, which is underneath, and then arugula from my garden. So that is the base, and then I'm going to just put the salmon on top, and I will just top it with some feta cheese and then low-fat Greek yogurt. And this is just leftovers for tomorrow because it was like a really big piece that I found. Okay, so this is my dinner. This is with the salmon and the feta cheese on top. Low-fat Greek yogurt, which I love using as a dressing instead of like store-bought ones, which can have like a ton of like unhealthy stuff in it. This is such a good post-workout meal. So while I was eating dinner, I got a link to an interview that I did, and it's all about ending period poverty. This is an issue that I stand by fully because you won't believe how many young girls don't have access to feminine hygiene products. Most of us can just walk into the drugstore, wherever, to buy feminine hygiene products like pads and tampons and stuff, but a lot of girls don't have this privilege. I am so happy to be using my platform to raise awareness about this issue, so I'll be talking about it a bit. So I linked in the interview down below, so you can go check it out and see what it is more about, if that is something that you're interested in, or if you want to find out how you can help and be a part of it as well. But right now I'm still so gross and sweaty from the gym, but I was so hungry I had to eat before I showered. So now I'm going to take a really long cold shower, and then I'm going to just go ahead and maybe edit a video and then well, not finish because I'm not that good, okay, catch up on my rich people problems, which is going so good. Crazy Rich Asians is my favorite movie in life, so I had to get all the books. I hope that you enjoy this productive day in my life vlog style. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this or what you thought about it, and yeah, thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything else, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.